Making football edits for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok is easier than you think, and best of all, it's 100% free. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create epic football clips and reels, just like your favorite editors. If you're new here, on this channel, I'll be dropping different ways to earn money online and tips for aspiring editors. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe. I have big plans for this channel, and now's the perfect time to jump on board. Football Editing Challenge. If you're editing for the first time, I've got a challenge for you. After watching this video, make your own football edit using what you've learned. Once it's ready, upload it on YouTube and put the link in comment section. Let's see what you can create. Step 1. Importing clips into CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Click the plus button and select your video clips. Don't include the audio yet, we'll add that later. CapCut will automatically place your clips into the timeline. First, change the format to 9:16 for vertical viewing. Use 2 fingers to zoom in and fill the screen, removing black bars. However, you'll notice that some parts of your footage may get cropped. That's where keyframing comes in. Step 2. Keyframing for dynamic movement. Keyframing lets you move the video to follow the action, like tracking the ball. Here's how. Position the clip where the ball first appears. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe button. Move forward in the video until the ball leaves the frame. Reposition the clip so the ball is back in view and add another keyframe. Repeat this process as needed. It might take a few tries, but with practice, it becomes second nature. If you're stuck, drop a comment, I'm happy to help. Step 3. Adding and syncing music. Music brings your edit to life. Now it's time to add it. Tap Add Audio Extracted, and make sure your music is in MP4 format. CapCut doesn't accept MP3s here. Once your audio is in place, sync your clips with the beat drops. This part takes patience. Split the audio at the beat drop, then split the video where you want the beat to hit. Adjust the clips so they align perfectly with the beat. Once you nail the first one, the rest will be easier. Step 4. Effects and transitions. Now for the fun part, effects. Start by adding a white background overlay at each beat drop to create that classic white flash effect. Tap Overlay, Add Overlay, and choose your white image. Stretch it to cover the screen. Go to Splice Overlay, then set an out animation to fade out. Repeat for each beat drop. Next, add a shake animation to your clips by tapping Animation and Shake 1 and 2 and 3, your choice. If you used multiple clips, add smooth transitions between them. Tap the white square between clips, go to Camera, and pick the transition you like best. Step 5. Exporting and using Prequel. Once you're happy with the result, export the video by tapping the button in the top right corner. For some extra polish, open the Prequel app, free to download. Tap the plus button to import your video, then go to Effects. I recommend using the VHS effect, but tone down the distortion to keep things clean. Sometimes effects can make beat drops feel off by a second or two. Don't worry, your original timing will be fine in the final export. And just like that, your football edit is complete. How easy was that? Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.